recording the video. Watch me point the camera down.
Oh, you're moving the camera, not the thing, right?
Yeah.
Oh, that's cool.
Left a little bit more. And it'll just hang there like a damn rock.
Pretty much.
The GPS holds it exactly. It also has a downward facing camera.
Does it?
Yeah.
Because with two cameras.
Yeah.
It's pretty staying pretty straight.
Yeah, I'll show you how precise this little booger is. And
sounds like a swarm of bees.
watch me land this sucker. See him push one button, point the camera down.
So that's the same camera. It's not
Look,
multiple cameras, right?
Watch this. Look, wrong way. Watch.
Oh, so you see the reflection on your car. Soft landing. You don't want it to fall off.
I didn't want it to slide off.
That's pretty cool. That's fun for $300. That's some expensive toys.
It cost me another 100.
So this is the camera here, the down camera, or is that the?
Yeah, that's the camera looking down right there.
Little baby.
And those are sensors. Those are, I think, ultrasonic sensors.
Right.
But
so this is a recharger.